tell me about performance. And tell me, is the word performance okay to think about sex, or is it a difficult word to play with?
So I think again, the word, a lot of times the word loses its meaning.
Yeah.
So ठीक है, they're saying performance. To me, the word has a basic problem because obviously you're not performing. Because जैसे ही तुमको perform, you feel you are under a spotlight. And you have to do certain things. So the first thing I always say to people is that if you're having sex for the first time, understand that it'll never be what you think it is going to be. Ever, 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 never, never, never. It's like saying कि मैं गाड़ी चलाने जा रहा हूँ और मैंने फास्ट और फ्यूरियस देख ली है, अब मुझे सब पता है, मैं गाड़ी अमेजिंगली चलाऊँगा. मैंने पॉर्न देख ली है, अब मैं सेक्स करने जा रहा हूँ, मैं ऐसे होगा. मैंने वो फिल्म देखी, उसमें ऐसे दो लोग आए एंड दे जस्ट मेड लव. Sex is a very complicated thing. And vaginas are very complicated to get into. Okay, I just
Spot on. We are telling truth today. Yes.
ये समझना ज़रूरी है. Physically speaking, the positioning of the, the male organ is such that it's very straightforward. It is in front of you. You can go straight forward. The vagina is placed in such a way biologically that it's not easy to get to. अच्छा, दूसरी बात, what a lot of men don't understand is that so you have to get your body into all sorts of positions.
Right.
You don't just glide together and it happens.
By accident नहीं होता.
नहीं होता.
हाँ.
नहीं होता. बहुत काम करना पड़ता है.
Right.
दूसरी बात, the vagina is not a straight tube. So you can't just say, okay, now I've got you into position, I will merely. There is a bend in the vagina, which has to be negotiated. And it is very painful. No matter how many times you have sex, you have to make sure that the woman's body is placed, it's positioned in such a way that that bend can be gone past carefully. Because no matter how much you have sex, if that is not negotiated properly, it still leads to pain. It needs lubrication. Achha, lube is very easily available. A lot of people don't use it for whatever reason. Unko lagta. A lot of people actually have this as an ego thing. I am enough. Arey, you may be very much enough, but the female body is a different kettle of fish. So wo apna karti hai, So keeping all this in mind, people believe that they are just going to be able to do it. And the first time sex ka pressure is huge. And I just want to say कि पहली बार जब आप sex करोगे, it will never be what you think it is going to be. So, do not try and make it a memorable experience. कि ऐसे होगा और फिर ये याद रखेंगे. Make it as pleasurable as possible. The penetration part of it, especially the first time, is going to be awkward. No matter how much you watched porn, it is going to be very awkward. Focus on other things. Women's bodies are incredible in the sense that every part of the woman's body is an erogenous zone. Just depends on what you do with it, how you treat it. And the great thing about women's bodies are that they can be brought, actually the Kama Sutra says that penetration se pehle, you should bring a woman to orgasm at least twice before you even think of penetrating her.
That's insane.
Okay?
I would have never thought of that.
Because that warms her up. Now she's in the zone. She's in the mood. Even if it means that you have by now, it's your first time, you've lost your erection. It could happen.
Yeah.
It could be that you get it back. It could be that you don't. But honestly, that is what's going to make it a better night altogether.
Right.
Okay? Also, include, like a lot of people always say, what is, how long should you last? It's not how long you should last. Everybody is different and everybody likes their penetration or the thrusting to be different. So there's no thing about. But don't focus only कि how long I should last should be कि penetration कितनी देर की. आप अपना foreplay उसमें include कीजिए. That is how long you're lasting. You could do amazing things. And that's what your partner will remember. And that, I always say this, and I don't know why people don't take this on board. How you finish today will define कि next time how quickly she comes back to your bed.
Tell me more about that.
So how do you remember any event? Either by its peak or by the way it finishes.
Right.
Okay. Now the peak being the orgasm, couldn't, maybe, yes, whatever. How you finish your day of sex, what she remembers of that. Is she remembering all the groping? Is she remembering the pain? Is she remembering the fact that in spite of all that, you made sure that from other different parts of her body, you made sure that she was so pleasured. It was fantastic.
Right.
How you finish will define how quickly she comes back to you the next time.
Right.
Okay?
I follow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A woman's body also is slightly different to a man's. Man has an orgasm, generally speaking, that is the end of his ability for a certain amount of time to have sex anymore.
Yeah. Psychologically,
See?
physiologically, I'm
Yeah.
in a different state.
With women, the more orgasms they have, the more their arousal goes up.
So for them, it's sort of the beginning or the middle point. For men, it's the end.
Yeah.
And it's a very different fact.
It's a very different way.
Right.
Yeah. So the bodies are just built differently. And I think that's, like a lot of people will feel, but how long should foreplay be? Like I said, don't worry about how long. Bring her to orgasm. Bring her through kissing her on different parts of her body or trying different things. Lots of erogenous zones. Once you have done that, you've actually got her ready for your pleasure. क्योंकि आपका जो pleasure है वो long lasting तभी होगा and actually satisfying तभी होगा if she is a willing partner.
Right.
And if you can get her to that point where she wants to be a willing partner, you're away. But इसमें इतना ही है that it takes a bit of patience
Right.
and it takes a bit of self-control.
Yeah. Guys, if you're enjoying the clips that we are putting out on this channel, you can consume all our podcasts in small clips right here. We chunk them together and release them just for your convenience. Do not forget to press the subscribe button.